Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a dragonfly. Let's start off by drawing a dragonfly from above, like it just landed on a wall or a tree trunk. Start with a small oval for the head, followed by a U shape underneath it for the body, and a really long U shape for the back of the body. For the wings, draw a long U shape going out to the side that pinches and becomes narrower near the bottom. Mirror that on the other side and draw two more underneath those. On the head, draw two really big dots for the eyes. And for the legs, draw a line going out from here with an angle like so. Mirror that on the right side and draw two more sets of legs here. To add some more detail, draw a really thin line that starts on the body that gently waves as it turns all the way to the end of the wing. Then, add two lines coming down from it like so. On the bottom wing, draw two gentle, wavy lines that run from the body to the end of the wing. Then, mirror those on the other side. To finish off our dragonfly, draw some short curves across the body, some along the back of the body, and one across the head. And now you've got a dragonfly. Next, we can try drawing a different angle of the dragonfly like it's flying. Start with a circle for the head, followed by four long U shapes going out to the left and right for the wings. Then, add a small bump from the head for the body, and continue that line underneath the wings and back to the head. Next, add a long U shape behind it for the back of the body. Underneath, add some bent lines like so for the legs. And along the wings, add the patterns that we drew earlier. On the head, two big dots for the eyes, and some curves along the body and head to finish it off. And now you've got another dragonfly. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.